Mr. Crago,
Good morning, Your Honor. How are you?
have I ever met you before?
I don't think so. This is the first time. It's a pleasure to meet you, Your Honor.
Pleasure's mine. What can I do for you?
I was under the impression that we had a Michael Mack up today for PCC. Michael spelled in an untraditional fashion, Michle, middle name Alexander, last name Mack.
We're just waiting on Mr. Mack's attorney.
Okay, very good. Is that Claude Chapman? I have him as listed as the attorney of record on my file.
That's what my register of action says.
Okay, very good. I'll stay patient.
All right.
Thank you.
You heard from Mr. Chapman. I can't hear you, sir. Unmute yourself. Connect your audio. Mr. Chapman, good morning. Can you hear me, sir?
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. You here on Mac?
Yes,
Okay, we're ready on the Mac.
I was hoping to speak with the prosecutor very briefly before we went on the record. If not, I'm ready.
Mr. Chapman, you're welcome to certainly give me a call. I reached out to you yesterday a couple times. Happy to have you give me a call.
I'm sorry, I was traveling yesterday.
Okay.
I'm in the state of Arizona. At any rate, three things.
Let me
I
call the
met
case.
with my client.
Yeah, hold
and
on.
Okay.
Let him call the case first.
Call me case number 2405-721601. People of state of Michigan versus Michael Mack. Defendant charged in count 1, homicide, murder, second degree. Count 2, weapon stolen, firearm.
Here's the record.
Good morning, Your Honor. May it please this most honorable court, Attorney Brian J. Crago, P number 74568, appearing on behalf of the people.
Good morning, Your
Yeah.
Honor.
Tell us your name and P number, sir.
Good morning, Your Honor. Claude Chapman, P69850, on behalf of Michael Alexander Mack.
All right. What's your pleasure, counsel?
Your Honor, I spoke with my client and we're prepared to waive the preliminary exam and move this matter to the circuit court.
Where's your client?
Would you repeat, Your Honor?
Where is your client?
My client is in. He's in the He's in the Wayne County Jail.
That is correct, Your Honor.
Are we expecting Mac? What's his name? Michael Mack, M-I-C-H-L-E, Mack, M-A-C-K. So it's gonna take about 10 minutes to get your client here, Mr. Chapman.
Thank you, Your Honor. And if in the meantime, if I could speak with the prosecutor.
That's fine. Mr. Chapman, do you want to give me a call or do you want to do a breakout room?
Breakout room probably would be best if we can do it right quick.
That's fine. Madam Clerk, can you help facilitate that, please?
Go ahead and join.
To be really quick.
Good morning, Wayne County Jail.
Good morning, sir.
Who do you have there?
Michael Mack.
Mr. Chapman. Who is this?
Michael Mack. Chat.
Okay, Mr. Chapman, Mr. Mack is here.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Ready on Mack. Yes.
Recalling case number 2405-7216. People of the state of Michigan versus Michael Mack. Defendant is charged in count 1, homicide, murder, second degree. Count 2, weapons, felony, firearm.
Appearances for the record, please.
Good morning, Your Honor. Claude Chapman, P69850, on behalf of Mr. Mack.
Mr. Crago, where you at? There you go.
Oh, I'm sorry, Your Honor. I had to step away. I apologize, Your Honor.
Your appearing, sir?
Yes, Attorney Brian J. Crago, P number 74568, appearing on behalf of the people.
Your Honor, on behalf of Mr. Mack, we agree to proceed using Zoom technology.
And Mr. Mack is here, but his mic is muted. What's your pleasure, counsel? Oh, you said you wanted to waive. Mr. Mack, have them unmute your mic. Wayne County Jail. Tell us your name for the record, sir.
Michael Mack.
All right, Mr. Chapman.
Your Honor, I've had a discussion with Mr. Mack, and at this time, we agree to waive the preliminary exam and move this matter to the circuit court.
Mr. Mack, raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, sir. You understand you have a statutory right to have a preliminary examination by waiving the same. That means you won't have one, and you'll be bound over to Wayne County Third Circuit Court as you stand charged in the complaint and warrant. You understand that?
Yes, sir.
You understand the nature and the purpose of a preliminary examination?
Yes, sir.
You understand if you were to have one, the prosecution would have to establish that the crime you're charged with was committed in the city of Detroit, that there's probable cause to believe you committed it?
Yes, sir.
Is anyone forcing you to waive your right?
No, sir.
Has anyone promised you anything?
No, sir.
Are you waiving your right freely and voluntarily?
Excuse me? I didn't hear that.
Are you waiving your right freely and voluntarily?
Yes, sir.
Any objection from the people?
Your Honor, at this time, I've been in contact with Mr. Chapman. The people would like to hold this preliminary examination in the sense to preserve testimony in this case. And upon further consideration, we would like to hold.
So the people are demanding a hold, okay? That being the case, the court will set this matter for preliminary examination.
All right, will that be the 28th at 1:45, Your Honor?
No, sir. I can do May 28th at 11:30.
Did you say June 1st?
May 28th at 11:30.
11:30? That would be fine, Your Honor.
You got May 28th, right? Not June 1st.
Mr. Chapman, do you have the correct date of May 28th, 2024 at 11:30 a.m. in person?
Okay, that's 11:30 at Judge King on the 28th.
Yes,
Or is
sir.
he asking for June 1st?
No, I'm not saying anything about June 1st, sir.
I'm
May
sorry, Your
28th.
Honor. The 28th would be fine.
Okay, bond continue. Thank you.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Your Honor, one issue. Can I renew the request for an assessment for bond by pretrial services?
I'll refer to pretrial services for bond recommendation.
All right, thank you very much, Your Honor.
And June 1st is Saturday.
Mr. Chapman, give me a call when you have a chance today, please.
Yeah, could you text me your number, please?
I will give you a call.
Okay, thank you.
Your Honor, have a good day.
All right, you do the same.
Thank you, you as well.
Thank you.
All
Goodbye.
right, thank you. Thank you, Your Honor.
So our exam has been pushed back to 1:30.
Yes, down to 1:30. Yes, ma'am. How can I help you? Mr. Hicks?
Judge, I informed Judge Bridget Hathaway of my plan to head across the street for this preliminary examination, and she informed me that as the court of higher jurisdiction, she was prohibiting me from going across the street until the jury comes back with a verdict. They are about to get sent out to lunch, so they're going to be out until 1:30. We are not going to have a verdict by 1:30. And I have conflicting orders from you and Judge Bridget Hathaway, so I'm zooming in to try and address that conflict. I did ask for permission to head across the street to do this exam. I would like to do that, but Judge Hathaway said no.
All right, stand by.
Oh, okay.
I'm just waiting on a call back, folks.
Sounds good. Thank you, Judge.
I'm sorry, Mr. Hicks, I was on mute. I thought you could hear me. I called the case. Your appearance, please.
No, I didn't. Sorry, Judge. Jonathan Hitz, appearing on behalf of the people, P85288.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Nancy Castro-Vendias, appearing on behalf of Mr. Stinson, P number 80549.
Okay, so Mr. Hicks told me off the record that the judge in his trial will not release him to come and do the preliminary examination. I'm sorry, sir, your name for the record?
Israel Javon Simpson.
Okay. I put in a call to the state court administrator's office. I'm yet to hear back from them to have them sort this out. I'm not gonna argue with anybody. But it doesn't look like Mr. Hicks is going to be able to join us. I'm not gonna put him in a bad situation in that he has competing orders. So the court has no choice but to adjourn this matter so I can get this thing sorted out.
This does not have an objection.
I was May 30th.
Second judge.
People are available.
I'm sorry, Judge, I'm just connecting to the. Your Honor, is the court available on the 30th? I'm sorry, on the 29th. I will be in a different courthouse on the 30th. I'll be in Westland. But I'm available the 29th. That's okay.
So the 29th is my non-homicide day.
What about Tuesday, Judge?
Tuesday, I'm good, so I could probably fit you in on the 29th to 11 o'clock.
Okay, that's perfect.
Are you available on 11 o'clock on the 29th, Mr. Hicks?
I am, Judge. I would just ask, just so there's no further issues here, no need for another adjournment. My understanding is my two witnesses are out in the hallway. They're two police officer witnesses, Sergeant Todd and Sergeant Colleran. If you could just bring them into the courtroom and confirm that there's no issues with them appearing on the 29th. Thank you, Judge. I appreciate it.
Oh, Your Honor, may I address the conditions of his bond since we're here, please? We have, Judge, but he is employed and he does have a valid driver's license, Judge. In this case, the allegation is in 2019. My understanding is that he has not had any issues in that time frame.
Because he hasn't been driving, right?
I don't believe that he's been restricted from driving in those years.
Okay, so what's your issue?
So I believe that this court has restricted his ability to drive. He has provided me with a copy of his driver's license that I can show the court in order for him to be able to drive from and to work at least.
I think that's the whole basis of this case. Driving is a privilege. Until we get this matter sorted out, I'm very reluctant to have him operate allegations are that doesn't follow the rules of the road. In any event, let me address these officers. real quick.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. What's your
Good
name?
afternoon, Sergeant Alexander Colbert.
Colry,
Yes, sir.
and your name?
Sergeant Johanna Todd.
Oh, I couldn't recognize you back there from all this plexiglass investigators.
Good afternoon.
Anyway, good afternoon. So this matter has been adjourned because our good old prosecutor there is in a homicide trial across the street. The judge will not release him to do that. So he left me no other choice but to put this matter over to the 29th at 11 o'clock. Is that a good date and time for you?
Yes, sir.
All right, so we'll get this matter resolved on that day. I appreciate it. And you are still under subpoena, okay? So May 29th at 11 o'clock. Thank you very much for your patience. Sorry for the inconvenience.
Thank you, Judge. I appreciate that.
Oh, Mr. Hicks, what's your position as it relates to the defendant's bond and him not being able to drive at this point?
Judge, the last time this came up, I left it to your discretion. This is a case that did originate some time ago. The request that I made is that he be required to comply with any Secretary of State imposed restrictions on his driving. This is an incident where he is not alleged to have been at fault in the instance. The actual crash that resulted in the death of the victim here, he is alleged to have left the scene, which is a very serious charge. And he was driving on a suspended license at the time, which is where the second count comes from, a misdemeanor count. So while I am concerned that he was driving on a suspended license in the first instance, and I'm obviously very concerned that he left the scene of an accident when he should have remained at the scene of the accident, if he has had his driving privileges restored by the Secretary of State and has been driving for the 4 years that has been the intervening time frame, I don't have an issue with him driving to and from work, if that's the restriction that the court is going to allow. That is, of course, if he has a valid license from the Secretary of State. That's my primary concern.
All right, then I will adopt the people's position. If he does in fact have a valid driver's license, then I will relieve him of that restriction that I imposed. You'll give me an order to that effect. I'll execute this.
Yes, Your Honor, and he did just hand me his Michigan's driver's license. If the court wants to see it.
I'll take your word as an officer of the court.
Thank you, Judge. I will prepare an order.
Okay, thank you. May 29th at 11.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, no, I got it. And it does. Okay.
Thank you, Judge. And I believe there is a member of the victim's family in the courtroom. I want to apologize to them for me not being there today. I'm deeply sorry that this issue came up. Thank you for the accommodation.
Family, first and foremost, my condolences to you and your family. And secondly, sometimes things like this are unavoidable, but we'll try to get this resolved once and for all, at least on this end, on May 29th at 11 o'clock. Okay? Thank you very much. Yes. Hey, how you doing?
Okay.
Stranger? It's so hot. It's hot to me. Already wanted something. Just for the sun.
Oh, wow.
It's almost like. Or you'll see.
They do this one? Okay. Thank you.
For the day, Judge.
I am done.
I'll see you tomorrow.
I'm over here.
Yeah, what would you, I mean,
I'm putting the bum rush on this kind of stuff.
oh, I mean, look at my.
What do you look like tomorrow? And we'll do that.
Thank you, Judge. Take care.
All right.
Our meeting at another day, yeah.
Thank you.
Y'all have a good day. I'm gonna lock the door.
Okay.
See y'all.
Oh, he's still live. Judge King courtroom. Okay, thank you. All right. Saw that.